To remove dark spots, we're gonna be needing to use milk, guys. Okay, we're gonna use milk for this remedy because it's gonna help to remove all dark spots. And then we're just gonna be using honey. Now honey is a natural skin softener. It gets into the skin, it softens the skin, and it also helps to glow the skin. And then we're gonna be making use of lemon. Lemon is citric in nature, and as such it is great in brightening up the skin. It removes dark spots, it removes pigmentations, it gets rid of age spots. And then we're gonna be using baking soda. Now baking soda is a natural skin scrub and exfoliant that helps to exfoliate the dead skin cells from the skin. It contains a lightening property also that lightens up the dark patches on the skin, therefore removing dark spots. So to mix this, I'm gonna be putting in 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which is my last baking soda for this container, and 1 tablespoon of powdered milk, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 full tablespoon of lemon. So now we are going to mix all of the ingredients together. It's gonna be foamy at first, but of course the foaminess is gonna go down. Alright guys, this is so friendly, guys. Like if you're having any dark spots and you use this, all of your dark spots will be gone, and you're gonna love your skin. So you can actually scrub with this every day for 2 weeks, and trust me, come back at this comment section and let me know how your dark spot has been. Alright, so here's the, and you're gonna take it, although that place is not spots, it's bruise. You're gonna take it, then you're gonna rub it on that place. It doesn't smell good. You're gonna rub it on the places where you tend to have spots. Alright, so if your spot is actually tiny, then you can just grab it and then you massage your skin with it. so after that, then you can just hold it on for like some minutes, as long as you can hold it, as long as, okay, no speculated time. It's actually gonna help you to remove all of the dark spots. Okay, so when you want to wash it out, you can wash it out with lukewarm water, and then follow suit with a toilet soap, a very mild soap, and it's gonna be perfect. Use this every day for the space of 2 weeks and let me know how it is, because I know it's gonna remove all of those dark spots. Like, trust me, and not only dark spots, it's gonna get rid of something like this, like a breakout. Okay, I will break out because I'm going through some stuff right now. Oh my god. Anyways, they're all gonna go off my face. Okay, all right, so that's it.